welcome back to the channel. Today we're soaring into the skies with a countdown of the top 5 drones that deliver incredible performance, cutting-edge imaging, and versatility for creators, travelers, and professionals. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first drone or a filmmaker chasing cinematic aerial shots, this lineup showcases the very best options available today. From compact flyers to professional aerial platforms, these drones prove that the sky isn't the limit, it's the beginning. Let's dive straight into the list. Number 5, Potensic Atom SE. The Potensic Atom SE is a lightweight, budget-friendly drone that's perfect for beginners and hobbyists who want to experience aerial photography without breaking the bank. Weighing just 249 grams, it avoids many regulatory restrictions while still offering impressive features. Its 4K camera with EIS, electronic image stabilization, captures sharp, stable footage, making it ideal for travel vlogs, family adventures, or casual creative projects. Flight performance is solid with up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single charge. GPS positioning ensures stability, while intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Navigation, and Circle Flight make cinematic shots easy to achieve. The Atom SE also includes auto return to home, reducing the risk of losing your drone during long flights. Design is compact and foldable, making it easy to carry in a backpack. Despite its affordability, it feels durable enough for outdoor use. Brushless motors provide quieter operation and longer lifespan compared to cheaper alternatives. For beginners, the Atom SE is a gateway into drone photography. It's affordable, reliable, and packed with features that make flying fun and rewarding. It proves that you don't need to spend thousands to enjoy the thrill of capturing the world from above. Number 4, Ryze Tello Boost Combo. The Ryze Tello Boost Combo, powered by DJI technology, is one of the most accessible drones for beginners and kids. Despite its small size, it packs a surprising amount of capability. Its 5mm camera captures 720p video, perfect for learning the basics of aerial photography and videography. Flight performance includes 13 minutes of flight time, which may sound modest but is more than enough for practice sessions. The Boost Combo includes extra batteries, extending your flying time and making it more practical for longer sessions. The Tello is controlled via smartphone with intuitive controls and fun flight modes like throw and go, 8D flips, and bounce mode. It also supports programming via Scratch, making it an educational tool for kids and students interested in coding and robotics. Design is lightweight and durable with propeller guards included for safety. It's small enough to fly indoors, yet stable enough for calm outdoor conditions. For beginners, families, and educators, the Ryze Tello Boost Combo is more than just a drone. It's a learning platform. It introduces users to the world of drones in a fun, safe, and affordable way, making it one of the best starter drones available. Number 3, DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact powerhouse that redefines what sub-250G drones can achieve. With a 113-inch CMOS sensor, it captures 4K and 60 HDR video and 48 MEP stills, delivering professional-level quality in a drone that fits in your pocket. Its standout feature is true vertical shooting, perfect for social media creators who want content optimized for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Flight performance is impressive with up to 34 minutes of flight time and DJI's OcuSync 4 transmission providing 20 kilometers range. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing adds safety, making it one of the most advanced drones in its weight class. Intelligent modes like focus track, master shots, and hyperlapse make cinematic storytelling effortless. Whether you're tracking a moving subject or creating dynamic time lapses, the Mini 4 Pro automates complex maneuvers with precision. Design is sleek and foldable with a lightweight build that makes it perfect for travel. Despite its size, it feels premium with features that rival larger drones. For creators, travelers, and hobbyists, the Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate blend of portability and performance. It's a drone that proves small can be mighty, offering freedom and creativity without compromise. Number 2, Autel Evo II Pro. The Autel Evo II Pro is a professional-grade drone designed for creators who demand flexibility and power. Its standout feature is the 1-inch CMOS sensor with adjustable aperture ranging from f2.8 to f11. This gives pilots unprecedented control over exposure and depth of field, making it ideal for both cinematic video and professional photography. Capable of shooting 6K video at 30 FPS, the Evo II Pro delivers detail and clarity that rivals much larger drones. Flight performance is robust, with up to 40 minutes of flight time, one of the longest in its class. Combined with Autel's reliable transmission system, pilots can explore wide landscapes and capture extended sequences without interruption. The drone also features omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, ensuring safety during complex flights. Low-light performance is a highlight. Thanks to Autel's advanced imaging algorithms, the Evo II Pro excels in night photography, producing clean, detailed images even in challenging conditions. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a drone that represents the pinnacle of aerial imaging. Its defining feature is the triple camera system, including a 4.3-inch Hasselblad sensor, a medium telephoto lens, and a long telephoto lens. This setup gives creators unparalleled flexibility, from cinematic wide shots to detailed zoom perspectives. Video quality is world-class with 5.1K resolution at 50 FPS, 4K 120, and support for Apple ProRes on higher models. The Hasselblad natural color solution ensures accurate, lifelike colors straight out of the camera, while 12-bit RAW support provides maximum flexibility for professional workflows. Flight performance is equally impressive with up to 43 minutes of flight time and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The OcuSync 3 Plus transmission system delivers stable connectivity over 15 kilometers, ensuring reliable control and live feeds. Intelligent features include advanced RTH, return to home, focus track, and waypoint flight, making complex missions simple. Combined with its robust build and premium design, the Mavic 3 Pro feels like a true flagship. For professionals, this drone is a game changer. It's trusted by filmmakers, surveyors, and content creators worldwide for its unmatched imaging capabilities. The Mavic 3 Pro isn't just a drone, it's a complete aerial production system, offering flexibility, reliability, and cinematic excellence. If you want the very best in drone technology today, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the clear choice. It's the ultimate tool for capturing the world from above, setting the standard for what aerial creativity can achieve.